Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of the IELTS Workshop. It's me, Tùng Phan, your lovely teacher. And first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy new year with lots of luck, health, and perhaps a half-decent IELTS score for you in this coming year. Now, we are 10 days into 2022, right? And I guess some of you are reflecting on your past year, including all the stupid and crazy things you did last year. But I guess some of us are looking forward, planning out our 2022. Maybe when you're going to take the IELTS examination, yes? Or like which parties you're going to crash later during the TED holiday. So why don't we take this opportunity to talk about your all-time favorite topic, which is parties. Okay, let's party. What you mean? What you mean we can't talk about parties? Right, social distancing. Okay, I'm going to wing this one, all right? I'm going to wing it. Let's talk about something you never do, which is planning. All right, let's plan away. Right, let's check out the questions for today. Speaking part 3, with the topic of planning and goals. The first question is, do you think planning is important? The second question, should parents set goals for their children? Last, but far from least, when should children start to make plans for themselves? Do you think planning is important? Well, to me, it's impossible to overstate the significance of planning and preparation, especially in this volatile world. Just about anything can go wrong, and believe me, they will do. Murphy's Law. So it's best that you be prepared for every single eventuality. Say you are planning to do a bit of traveling later this year, right? So be sure to check out the COVID-19 restriction rules of the places you want to visit, okay? Or like if you plan to sit the IELTS examination at the end of this year, now is the time to start the preparation. Preparation is key. Should parents set goals for their children? I beg to differ. I know every parent wishes for their child to be self-reliant and independent and mature ASAP. And setting goals for them is kind of counterproductive. What parents should and can do instead is offer them advice, yes, or make recommendations. But at the end of the day, the final call is on the kids, not their parents, right? You have to understand that. So let's say if your kid aspires to be an English teacher, right? Don't just say no to him. Instead, enlighten him on the ins and outs of this occupation and slowly but surely talk him out of it, all right? That's how you do it. When should young children start to make plans for themselves? As early as possible, I reckon. Maybe at the age of 4 or 5. The way I see it, developing planning skills is vitally important, especially during the formative years, you know, and children can start the process of planning in small tasks. Let's just say what they're going to wear to school tomorrow, or like which zoo they're visiting with their parents over the weekend. You know, really trivial stuff and things really, but this will set them up nicely for the future, where they need to deal with like huge plans or like massive decisions. There you have it. IELTS Speaking Part 3, Planning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop in the comment section your plan for 2022. Alright? That's it for me, Tùng Phan from the IELTS Workshop, signing off.